Okay, Duster 340 fans, Gause Garage coming to you with this recently refurbished EV2 real Hemi orange Duster 340 real H code car. It's a plain Jane column shift automatic. However, the white stripes were removed and we put on the correct black stripes in agreement with the fender tag in the interior, and also put the what's called the V24 hood blackout package on it. And as you can see, that black goes up around the top of the doors and in the scallop of the roof all the way around. And then also comes with a trim piece to demarcate, just like the factory did. It's all been recreated, complete with 340 wedge decal. Shark's tooth grill is in beautiful shape. The car is filthy because all the services have been done and it hasn't gone through the actual clean detail yet. But the engine came out real nice. It's a power disc, power brake car, power steering, and correct Chrysler hoses, clamps, and everything has been faithfully recreated to as close to factory stock as possible. Even with that NOS catch can there, courtesy of some box store. Anyway, the car came out very nice. It's a super nice driver. I did a video earlier on the dash restoration. I've got the stencils on, redid the trim. Let's have a look at that finished product here. So the stencils look nice. All the silver trim has been retouched up. And with the wood stencils from Detroit Muscle Technologies, or DMT, the dash came out very, very nice. Not concourse, but very presentable for any kind of show. And just for basically looking, there we go. It's got new door seals on it, so you got to really slam the doors to actually get them to close. Back bumper is really beautiful. Again, this thing is not detailed yet, so it'll be cleaned up. There's a big Mopar show up in Ocala coming up at the end of May. And all original quarters. You can see the sound deadening still left, or what's left of it. Jack spring, crowbar. So there you go, Duster 340 fans. A beautiful, real H-Code 340 EV2 Hemi orange car. Recently restriped and refurbished and detailed. This is Gause Garage. Thank you very much.